Welcome to Client-Side JavaScript with HTML. After watching this video, you will be able to define a client-side script, give examples of when client-side script can be used, explain how to use the noscript tag, describe event bindings in scripts. A client-side script is a program that accompanies an HTML document, or might be embedded directly in the HTML document itself. The script program runs on the client device when the document loads, or at some other time such as when a link is activated or when a button is clicked. Although JavaScript is widely used as a scripting language in HTML, other scripting languages can be used instead. Scripts offer authors a means to modify and extend HTML documents in highly interactive ways. Scripts can run after an HTML document is loaded. Scripts can be used to validate forms or to process input as it is typed. Scripts can be triggered by events that occur on a web page, such as the clicking of a button. Scripts can be used to dynamically create document elements on an HTML page. This slide shows two ways in which the script tag is used to include scripts in an HTML document. Example 1 demonstrates how you can include a script directly inside the HTML document. This method is good for short scripts, but when a script is long, the method used in example 2 is preferred. Example 2 uses the src attribute to point to an external script file. This method has several use cases, such as importing JavaScript libraries for complex interactions or using the same script across several HTML documents. Some users who visit your website might disable JavaScript from running, or they might be using a browser that does not support scripting. To allow for these situations, place the content for the alternative path within the noscript tag. If the browser does not support scripting, the browser runs the section of the code that is within the noscript tag. Scripts can run on the detection of certain events that happen when the page is running in a browser session. Calling a function when an event occurs is called event binding. For example, the onload event can run a script when the browser finishes loading a page, or a function can be performed when the onclick event occurs. This event occurs when the pointing device is clicked over an element, such as a button, that declares a handler for the event. The event handler is a function that declares what to do when the button is clicked. Other useful events include onmouseover, which occurs when the cursor is moved onto an element. Here, the inline event handler named showAnswers runs when the button is clicked. In this video, you learned a client-side script is a program that accompanies an HTML document. It may even be embedded into the HTML itself. Scripts offer developers ways to extend HTML documents to enhance the user experience, especially by incorporating more interactive elements. You can use the script tag to include a script within the HTML document, or to call a script from an external file. Use the noscript tag to provide an alternative when scripting is disabled. Scripts can be bound to events so that they run automatically. For example, the onload event can run a script when the browser finishes loading a page.